Get up, here are some repair tips that technicians least want to tell you. Watch till the end, and you're guaranteed not to get ripped off. First, the trick for removing a rubber ring: twist a string into a loop, slip it over the rubber ring, then pull it back and forth. This way you can easily pull the rubber ring out. Second, if the spring in the middle of your pliers is missing, it becomes really inconvenient to use. You can take 2 small round magnets and attach them to both sides of the pliers. This will make them much easier to use. Third, use a candle to blacken your key. Then transfer the shape of the key onto a piece of tape. Next, stick the tape onto a piece of stiff cardboard and cut it out along the shape. This way you can make a duplicate spare key. Fourth, use a lighter to melt a bottle cap, then quickly press it onto the lock cylinder. After it cools down, pull it out, and you can use it to extract a broken key stuck inside the lock. Fifth, burn a small hole in a bottle cap, insert a screw through it, then place it on a pot lid and secure it with a nut. This way you've made a new handle for your pot lid. 6. Gas. After using a gas stove for a long time, the flames become uneven. Actually, it's because the burner is clogged. Add some baking soda to a bowl, a spoonful of flour, pour in some white liquor, then add water. Stir well, put the burner in, let it sit for 5 minutes, then shake it a bit. This will clean it thoroughly. The flame will be strong and even again. 7th, if your gas stove won't ignite after long-term use, don't try lighting it with a lighter. It's too dangerous. Actually, it's because the burner is clogged. First, use a toothpick to clear out the small holes. Then, add dish soap and baking soda to a bowl, dilute it with water, and soak the burner in the solution for 5 minutes. This will clean it thoroughly. After that, put it back, and the stove will ignite easily. 8th, what should you do if the shower hose is leaking? First, unscrew the connector on the hose and take out the gasket inside. Then, use a tool to pry out the brass core and pull out the hose. Find the damaged section of the hose and cut it off directly. Next, remove the brass core, insert it back into the hose, and reassemble the shower as it was. This way, the shower hose will no longer leak. 9th, tie a small piece of iron to the end of the electrical wire, then insert it into the conduit. Use a magnet to attract the iron piece, and by slowly moving the magnet along the outside, you can guide the wire through the conduit. 10th, here's a tip for connecting water pipes. First, trim the end of the pipe so it's even, then cut a vertical notch into it. Insert the other pipe into the notch and twist it clockwise for 1 turn. This way, the pipes will be securely connected. 11. Fold an electrical wire in half and insert it into a bottle cap. Then bend the wire to secure it in place, screw the cap onto half of a plastic bottle, and fit it over the broom handle. Heat it to tighten, and from now on, using the broom won't hurt your hands anymore. 12th, put a balloon over a plastic bottle, cut off the upper half, then use a heated wire to poke lots of small holes in it. Place some filter cotton inside the bottle cap, then attach it to a water pipe, and you have a freely rotating filtered faucet. 13th, fill a beverage bottle with water after cutting an opening in it, and use it to assist when drilling holes in the wall. This way, the dust won't fall to the ground, and it also prevents dust from spreading. 14th, every time you clean, the broom handle often comes loose and can easily scratch your hand. Heat the metal rod with fire, then firmly insert it back in. This way, it's a